Technical Coordinator, IEEE Student Branch GITAM, Visakhapatnam. I am here today to tell you about what is IoT and the most commonly used development board, NODE MCU. So yeah, let's get started. Hello people, today we are going to discuss about the topic IoT, which is one of the booming technologies in the world. IoT is basically a network where physical devices and objects like vehicles are connected to internet or intranet. These physical devices which are connected internally to share their data and also collects more data from sources. And these devices are embedded with softwares, sensors and some actuators and etc. This increases the efficiency in work and reduces the human workload. These embedded technologies in IoT devices helps to perform their tasks successfully. Almost every physical device can be converted into IoT only if it can use or access internet and control it in any way. Let's see some examples. First, smart home. Do you want to turn on your air conditioning before you walk in the door of your house, or do you want someone to switch off the lights if you forget to do so? Or do you want to perform some other tasks in your home with just a snap of your finger? With smart homes, you can control all these things by using a simple technique called IoT. Next is cars. How cars can be improved with IoT? When IoT is combined with cars, the manufacturers of the car can improve their customer service by just inserting this device in the car, which has been connected to internet so that it can collect all the necessary data about the car's condition like tire pressure and whether does your car needs any maintenance. And then comes wearables. These are the highly demanded ones in the whole world. Sensors and softwares in these devices collects all the necessary data of the user and helps the user track his daily routine or daily activities. That can be fitness or health. And who knows, maybe you are wearing one of these and you don't even know that it is also based on IoT. There are endless possibilities of IoT, from controlling lamp in your house or controlling the whole factory. And if we talk about market of IoT, there will be about 30 billion devices in 2021. At the end of the day, IoT improves efficiency and productivity. So, how these devices work? These devices are connected using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi or other wireless medium. Then they collect the data, process the data on the basis of your need and perform tasks. So, IoT based objects or devices observes and understand the situation and perform the task successfully without any human help. If you take an example of a smart house, here the IoT devices check if there is anyone inside the house or not. The sensors attached to them, if detects there is no human activity, then they automatically switch off the light in the home. So, this is about IoT. We have development boards like Arduino and Raspberry Pi. They are the most common choice for prototyping. And these prototyping devices are like a mini computer. They can be connected through a medium to a standard PC or MacBook. After it has been programmed, the development board can be again connected to control sensors in the field, because the I in IoT stands for Internet of Things. The development board needs to be connected to internet so as forward. So the best way so as to connect it to internet is Wi-Fi. However, Arduino and Raspberry Pi does not have built-in Wi-Fi support. So the developers has to add on an external Wi-Fi module or a cellular to the board. And again, the programmer has to write a code to access this module. So in this video, I am going to introduce an open source IoT development board called NODE MCU. It has a unique feature of built-in Wi-Fi support and net connectivity, and hence making the IoT applications and development much easier. Now, we will talk about what is NODE MCU. The NODE MCU is an open source software and hardware development environment that is built around a very inexpensive system on a chip, that is SoC, which is ESP8266. Simply, NODE MCU is an open source Lua based firmware development for ESP8266 Wi-Fi chip. Here, what is open source means? NODE MCU hardware design is open for edit, modify or to build their own new NODE MCU development boards, which means anyone can edit, modify and produce their own NODE MCU development boards and market it. Generally, we can see the development boards like Amica and DoIt in the market. Here, we are talking about Lua. What do you mean by Lua? It is nothing but a powerful and fast programming language, which is designed to be lightweight embedded scripting language. It is also just a programming language. Here, the NODE MCU development board consists of ESP8266 chip. What is ESP8266 chip? It is nothing but Wi-Fi enabled system on chip module developed by Expressive System. It is mostly used for development of IoT applications. In ESP8266, here ESP12E is the model. It is embedded with 10 Silica Extensa LX106 core. This chip is widely used in IoT applications only. This comes with the capabilities of 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, general purpose input and output pins, and it also has some pins such as VIN, which means the voltage input power supply, ground, and most of the pins such as D1, D2, D3 are digital inputs. And most important point to be noted is this board has to be worked on 3 volt supply only.